This is all the snow we got last night. The snow actually started yesterday at around noon. Okay, it looks like it's about 8 inches of snow. So all the snow, here's a car covered with snow. I came out last night and I got some of the snow off my windshield. Because, you know, snow gets really heavy. And it can break your windshield if there's too much of it on it. Here's all the snow here. There's snow. It's all the way up the street. Let me show you. People have been trying to drive in this stuff. Here's the snow track. People trying to drive in it. You walk up the street. Sorry if the camera's a little bumpy, but I'm walking as I'm holding the camera. It's all the snow. All the schools are closed too right now. Basically everything is closed as far as I know. Some people are actually trying to drive in this stuff. This is the worst stuff to try to drive in. It's 6 inches. They said between 6 and 8, but it's probably based on where the snow is actually from, because they did say between 6 and 8 inches. I tell you what, it definitely is a lot of snow out here. It really is. And here's the sun. The sun there. The sun is coming out, so this should help melt some of it. Other than that, it's gonna be a snowy day today. The guy across the street just tried to drive in the snow, and his wheels, but he couldn't even drive it. His wheels wouldn't catch in the snow. Okay, well, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed my my snowstorm footage. Definitely enjoyed the snow, but I'm glad that the sun is coming out to melt it away, because it is causing a lot of accident problems right now. But I definitely enjoyed watching it come down, and it's really beautiful out here right now. You can make a Christmas card out of it, really. That's how nice it is. Well, once again, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.